Morning everybody. So I haven't been fishing for ages and it's a nice calm day down here on Woolooware Bay, so I thought, I know, I'll go out, chase a few flatties, chase a few bream, and I'll take the drone out. That'll be good fun. It'll be fun, they said. So launch, get a few videos as I'm launching. As I take off, I get about 30 minutes, I've got the drone following me, and I heard all this squawking and I turned around and there's about 10 birds all going from a drone, and of course one of them knocks it down into the water. She goes. It's only shallow, but it only needs 6 inches of water and she's stuffed. I've just found her. I've had to go up and down the shoreline, but let's go retrieve her. There she is, just ahead there, sitting there waiting for me. Thank you, bird. Thank God I've got insurance. Wonder if it'll still work. See if I can get this without going in the drink. Oh, it's not very deep. I'll just scoop her up with a net, I think. Yeah, she'll be all right. Didn't even break the propeller. Just knocked this one in. Oh, I did get a bit of a break on the propeller there. Yeah. Oh well. So luckily I have the insurance with this. It'll take I don't know, I have to do it, fill out a log and a report. I'll tell you what I need to do in the video. But at least I got it back. If I'd have been out another, I don't know, 50 metres or so, it would have been too deep for me to retrieve. Thank you, nature. So, the next part of the journey, the adventure, as I like to call it. So, you saw me scoop the drone out. I didn't get footage of it crashing into the water and the bird striking it, unfortunately, because I just stopped recording when I started to bring it back. But that's neither here nor there. I know it was a plover because I zoomed in on footage of earlier when I was out there and I could see what it was, so I won't be flying near them anymore. But when I first got the drone, I got the Care Refresh package from DJI. Now this is like an insurance. Basically, you can get a 1 year or 2 year. I got 2 years, which is $189. And that allows for up to 4 replacements of drones. You pay $99 each time, but what you do is you ship back your old drone and they will ship you out a new one. Now, it was not just my drone, it was a drone and the battery. You fill all the details out online, but it's nice and simple. I literally jumped on the computer, so you've got it on here behind me. You click on support and then you click on online repairs. And then you fill out your details and then it just automatically starts to do its thing. I received an email probably, I think, within about an hour that had an express label, which postage label, which I printed out, put the drone in a box. On Monday, I posted it to DJI. Tuesday at about 12:11, I got a notification that they'd received it. 3:26 p.m, I get another notification that they'd shipped me out a new one. And on Wednesday, I had it turned up in a box. So when I opened up the box, there was a brand new drone in there, new package. There was a brand new battery, and they even supplied the card because you'll need to activate the drone. You'll have to bind it with the controller. So that's all the details in there. Fantastic level of support. I couldn't be happier. Well, I could be happier. I could not have, had the drone go in the water. But for the peace of mind, I thoroughly recommend it. Thank you very much, DJI. The level of service was fantastic. Better than I thought it would be. I thought it might take, 2 weeks to get the drone back. To get it back within 3 days was unreal. Anyway, that's it, everybody. Thanks for watching. I hope you get something out of this story. Like I said, I highly recommend it if you have a drone and you fly it around your water or just anywhere. It's worth getting. See you, everybody. Catch you next time.